Hey y'all, I'm excited to announce our new motor pool features within Fleetio. If you're in the public sector, organizations from cities, counties, school systems, universities, motor pool programs help people get access to shared vehicles. They also help fleet teams understand which vehicles are being used, which departments are using them, and what vehicle types are in demand, and whether reservation costs are being accurately captured. These are all good things to track. These programs are great, but sometimes they do create bottlenecks around managing requests, approvals, access billing, monthly usage reports, and that's where these processes really break down. With Motor Pool now in Fleetio, we hope to change that by bringing shared vehicle reservations into Fleetio so teams can manage the entire reservation lifecycle. From mobile requests, approvals, access, rules, reservations, costs, billing, usage data, and returns, you name it. Making it easier to run a shared vehicle program, build departments accordingly, and use reservation data to support utilization and right-sizing your fleet. Another tool to make sure everything runs smoother, all in one system, Fleetio. If you have any questions, please reach out to one of our reps or access our help center. Have a good one.